So my name is Tim Smith. I am the CEO of a fast-growing sales and marketing agency that specializes in the tech sector. We selected Demeter as we'd recognized that we needed to scale our business, but without losing those things that made us special in the first place, right? And that was a genuine concern. Some of our competitors in the market, as they grew, had maybe lost some of the quality of delivery. And as we knew we needed to take the business from a predominantly European-based organization to a global business, which meant scaling up operations and managing a much more complex environment on different time zones. We already had some challenges in some of our HR processes and finance processes, and also how we ran the business operationally. So we were looking for something that allowed us to standardize a way of doing things, but then optimize it in quite a dynamic way. And Demeter really ticked those boxes. We've done a lot. I don't think it'd be an overstatement to say actually that it's underpinned many of our strategic achievements. And what do I mean by that? It's kind of given us a way of, when we set a strategic goal that we need to achieve, we can align our process development with that goal. So to give you an example, the first place we started was as we were scaling up the business, we wanted a really consistent way of delivering campaigns and projects to our clients. So we're able to map that process, deploy it globally so that all campaigns and all projects were delivered in the same way. And over time, we've optimized that process many times over. Since doing that, we've expanded our use of the tool dramatically. We mapped our recruitment process. That allowed us to reduce down the cost of recruitment by about 70% over time, and allow us to respond to market needs. As pressures in the labor market increased, we're able to speed up our recruitment process significantly. Again, that would have been really difficult without Demeter. We've mapped our finance processes, and that helped us sharpen up how we were going around things like debt collection. So we're twice as quick bringing cash back into the business, which in an environment where we're working with large blue chip clients, often try and sort of push out payment terms. That was a massive thing for us. Beyond that, we're now looking at how we take things to the next level. So we're rolling out some of Demeter's standard HR templates around things like staff engagement, and starting to work really hard on how we manage learning through the organization in a much slicker way. So yeah, I mean, look, the tool's been fantastic. The ROI has been unquestionable. And, I think what we've loved about it is if you can imagine the process that you need, then you can do it in Demeter.